Jax, crap!
We ought to put a bell on you if you're gonna sneak up on people like that. Jeez!
Are you okay?
I'm just fine. Besides, why do you care?
I guess you just haven't been acting like your normal prankster self.
What are you talking about, Toots?
I'm just peachy.
Jax, I know this whole situation is scary. You don't have to pretend like it isn't.
I
No need pinning me, Pom.
I've managed just fine for the last 11. 12. I can't remember how many months it's been. But the point is that I'm fine.
I just thought it may be reassuring to know you're not alone. I'm scared too. Knowing you have friends in this insane place is comforting, at least it is to me.
You don't even know me. Just leave me alone.
Things look bad and your back's against the wall. While you're seeing it, your whole existence feels kinda hopeless. You're feeling filthy like a YouTube contact farm. Can't face the world that turns so soulless. You lost your way. You think your life is wrecked. Well, let me just say you're correct. Wait, what? You're a loser, Jaxie, a loser, and so tacky. You're a little whiny loser just like me. You loser, screw, rabbit, wheelie, but heaven's really instigator with bad behavior, but you got company. There's a time I've had that no one could relate. The question waits in the just spiral. Oh, letting lost down, you can learn nothing's fate. We're both stuck inside this carny cycle. I lost my soul to candy and random freak. And you think that makes you unique? Yeah, Jax, we're both losers, baby. We're losers, it's okay to be
Are you impulsive, egotistical
jerkwad?
Maybe we can work on that last one.
I'm a loser, Pomni, a rascal who's so curly that release themselves are not alone. You're a loser just like me. I can tend to see to panic. I can tend to be real manic. With all the pranks and mischief on my mind. Couldn't Jaxie sing that song? Come on! The joy when you get riled. Through the pain I first a smile. Cause I know I'm getting struck. Words left and it just gets worse all the while. You're a loser, baby, a loser, but just maybe if we stick through together, things will end up differently. You try to stop your flaws and excuse yourself when open, baby, but you're caught behind the wall. A loser, just like. Are you ready to schedule scene?
The Amazing Digital Circus is not a musical.
Cut the cameras.